Hello everybody, my name is Connor JP and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm taking you guys up to Pike County, Pennsylvania with me for Labor Day weekend. We're going to do some work on our one shed and we're going to explore the woods, do some scouting. So thank you for joining me and let's have an adventure. Alright everybody, we're on our way up. I'm driving with my brother, Gavin Fahey. It is 7 o'clock right now, August 30th, so let's get moving. Alright everybody, it is August 31st. It's about like 66 degrees outside. So we had a little bit of a late start this morning. I do admit my plan was to wake up early and go on a hike, but I failed to wake up early, so we did not go on a hike. So our plan this weekend is to do some scouting naturally, and we also need to do some work on this shed. So we need to go to the store right now, pick up T111. We just had breakfast and yeah, let's move. We're at 84 lumber. Let's move. Alright, he's taking us to the back. Should be. Alright, so our plan for this is to replace the front boards here. They're not looking too bad, but they're definitely getting there. That door's still good, so I'm just gonna set that aside and yeah, well, let's demo the front of the shed. Guys, I forgot my tool belt. I'm gonna have to do this tool beltless. Uh-oh. Alright everybody, so the front is stripped. Now we're gonna start putting the plywood on. I'm just gonna leave that little top part there. It looks fine, and I don't feel like buying a whole nother board just for that little piece. Alright guys, so I had to get a little creative here. I have to get the numbers for this slant right here. Now the only thing is that no matter what I pull off of, this isn't square because it just settled and this shed's like crazy old. So I needed something, so I took a benchmark, so I put a laser up, and then I went from the top part where I've been pulling down all my other numbers, because I wanted to sit flush to that. I pulled down 2 feet, and then I think I would pull down 7 feet. And I pulled over 2 numbers, and now this line that I put down here, now I have the ability with this benchmark to pull my numbers off of, and they won't be square naturally, but they will be out of plumb with the shed. So let's see if it works, hopefully, because we didn't get any extra T111. Let's find out. Alright, Gavin's gonna make a cut. Come on, Gavin.
Like right here?
Yeah. Oh, there's a safety on it. Oh. Okay, so when you start the saw, do not have it touch the wood. Back it away from the wood, and then start up the saw. Let me see this.
Start it up? What?
Hey, there's a deer. Right here. There's a deer. Hold on, don't go away yet. Let me get you on camera. I hear another one. Oh, there's more. Shed is done. Let's go eat some burgers. You ready, Grandpa?
Yeah, how you doing?
Burger time. Oh yeah. Never mind, they're just ready to cook. Alright everybody, so it is now Sunday night. Unfortunately I could not record today because I was over in Allentown volunteering for my carpenters local. However, tomorrow we're gonna get up early, we're gonna go scout in the woods, and yeah, it should be a good time tomorrow, so see you then. Good morning everybody. It's now Monday morning. It's a bit windy out here. It's early morning, and let's get a move on. Alright guys, and we're off. So we're walking down this one trail here, and I'm not too familiar with it. We did a drive last bear season and went on the swamps at the end of it, and I came down here a little bit for turkey during turkey season, but I never really explored too much of it, so hopefully we can get some tracks and understand the area a little bit better. If we have time, I want to go on the other side of the road and check out this one ridge I saw during turkey season I wanted to check out, but we'll see if we have time for that. It's like 55 degrees right now. I looked at my temperature. I thought I would have sworn it was in the 60s, but fooled me. So on the left-hand side of the trail, there's a little bit of a ridge. On the right-hand side of the trail, it goes flat and then goes up on another ridge. I want to check both sides out. I'm going to go check out the left side out first, and then we'll go to the right and go from there. Tell you what, I don't know if it makes the best hunting grounds, but it's definitely the prettiest grounds in Pike County. Oh, some bear crap. Alright, so this side of the trail has got to the end here. This side of the trail is definitely very pretty woods, however, it's not very practical for hunting. So I'm going to keep that in mind. Now I'm going to go into the other side of the trail and check out that ridge, see if it is any more appealing. So much for wide open. Guys, I cut in too early and now we're in the middle of a swamp. Not really, it's a little bit of exaggeration. We're on the edge of a swamp. However, we are too far in to turn back, so let's move. So, right off the trail, it's looking pretty thick like this, not with mountain laurel, but with just brush. Now, before I reach the point, it gets open again here, so that's a good thing to note. I wonder or not the point, the ridge. So as we get to the ridge, I'm kind of curious to see if it'll get thicker again or what. But this was looking pretty decent, just like thick wise versus the other side, which is wide open. But all right, let's venture on. We got a tree stand. It does get thick again before we get to the ridge, so that's pretty cool. Got a little bit of a deer run here. All right, so we made it to the ridge. It's not very steep incline, but let's get to the top, and then I'll probably just follow it to the road, just exploring that. I just want to go on record when I say August and September spiderwebs are the absolute worst. Holy moly. I was gonna check out the ridge on the other side of the road, but I think I walked into too many spider webs for one day. Too many spider webs for one day. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up. Let's make a late breakfast. What do you look for?
I know you're doing.
Where are you going? Alright.
Hello, good morning. I hope I'm doing a good job.
Well, there she is. Painted, redone on the front. Doesn't look too bad. Now, next time we have a 3-day weekend up here, that shed's next. Now wrapping up everything with some last minute projects, but gonna get going in a couple minutes. You have turkeys. Alright, but thank you so much for watching this video. This Labor Day weekend we did some work on our shed upstate, and we also did some scouting. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.